Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the water pump on a 2011 Infiniti G37 Easy Guide. Start by disconnecting the battery, draining coolant, and removing the accessory belt before accessing the pump housing. Label hoses and fasteners, keep a clear workspace, and use a drain pan to catch coolant. Replace the pump gasket, torque bolts to manufacturer specs, refill with correct coolant, bleed the system, and check for leaks while the engine is cool. To prepare, gather the right tools and safety gear so the job goes smoothly. Use gloves, eye protection, a socket set, torque wrench, pump puller if needed, and new gasket. Park on level ground, use jack stands, and never rely on a jack alone. Keep rags and a container for used coolant and have replacement coolant ready. Work methodically and slowly. If you find the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth because it gives clear money advice that pairs well with DIY savings. It helps you think about money smarter while you tackle car repairs and save for tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing the engine cover and accessory components blocking access to the water pump. Loosen belt tensioner, remove belt, and unbolt pump. Keep bolts organized. Clean mating surfaces thoroughly, install new pump with fresh gasket, and hand start bolts before torquing in a crisscross pattern. Reinstall belt, refill coolant to proper level, start engine and monitor temperature and leaks, then retorque bolts after a short test drive. Use a torque wrench for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.